balik-balik yung kanta amin eh. But, haluwa-luwa naman din siya.
Sino ang hinamon?
Yung
Hinamon ng
ganyan.
kampiyon.
Pinunta namin.
Hinamon namin si Ruth pero ayaw eh.
Ang tawag doon. Yung ilan yung kwan mo, yung hindi kami.
Yeah, working.
Ay, nasa plaka siguro.
Maanoan yung word.
Nasa plaka ba yun? Mana?
Yeah, basta follow mo. Ada karaoke.
Di ba mga karaoke?
Baru karaoke. Ada yung kami.
Ada niya eh.
Pumunta kami sa...
Ada score naman di ba no?
Oh, scoring sabi.
Pumunta kami sa Korea. Korea nakatrabaho na.
Kaya lang ang
Nag-YouTube kami, kumakanta kami. Ba? Daniel sa'yo. Daniel, ano?
Kami Pilipino.
1989.
Ilocano, Pampulinawan.
Kasi pag yung pagbabasa mo,
Oo.
mapupunti. Pag nagkakamali.
Ay, maganda sa tawag ng tanghalan yung scoring ka. Ha?
Na-score na eh.
Oh.
Hindi na kailangan ng judge, ano?
Wala
Oo,
na.
Wala ng mga judges.
Hindi na kailangan judges dahil nabili doon eh.
Computer na.
Ay, di sa kwan yun, sa tawag ng tanghalan, ano? Wala ka ng, ninong-ninong. Ano?
Nandiyo na yung judge.
Ay,
Anong bakantan mo?
ka-vibes mo yung computer. Wala na.
Panorin natin yun.
Lalagay ng 100 yung score mo.
Ano na?
Ah, sige.
Tingnan niya natin. Ayun ang mga bata.
Okay, we're gonna watch
Okay,
it
what's
right
the
now.
exit? Mag-exit muna kayo. Okay.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. Happy Thanksgiving.
Today is Thanksgiving.
I hope they like your voices.
Padailasin kami.
I hope so.
Yeah, and we hope to see you someday. And you are all in the best of your health. And
Come on, you say
living.
Si San Pedro, Manang Henry.
We love you. We miss you.
Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
He knows, I already
We are here at Auntie Mel's
Okay.
place.
Yeah, we are
Today is
in
November 28, 1996.
Danny, how
Melda's
are
house.
you?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go.
Thanksgiving party.
Erwin, they didn't see your face yet. You stand there. Can you please? We're gonna send you uncle. Uncle in Germany and auntie. All the kids.
This is Fred's son.
Okay,
I am the oldest son.
I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix this. So,
To you, want to say you love me. I love you. You love me. Si Ruth ay inaantok, kaya ayaw magkanta-kanta.
Sweet. Sweet, how you feel?
Yeah, feel good.
You still sick?
I'm not feeling good, Fred.
Ah,
I'm not feeling good.
wala, take off. Pasit lang ako, ano?
Yung kateka.
The flow, hindi ka naman pailangan.
You have to rest.
You have to rest. You have
Dito, apay nga, no, biyo ka, og sakit ito.
Oh, you drink some medicine. Do you drink my medicine, coffee?
Ewan, natay Vicks.
Yan no agkaf ka.
Ang sakit dito eh.
Dati mo.
Nagunag, sakit na.
Yeah.
Minom ka tayo juice. Lots of juice.
Yes, yeah.
Dapat yan naman tea with lemon.
Yeah.
Or
Tea with lemon.
honey lemon daw.
Yeah.
Lemon,
Honey tea with lemon.
yung pangalangi di man ang.
Gumata ka dyan store tea lemon, tea.
Paglalawagam.
Paglalawagam
Una, dati talagang mesan.
Warm tea, tap tea, honey na.
Dati, lagay mo daw.
Teka itong nag-jay ko, may kati dyan.